Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing immigration in Phuket. I want to preface this by saying this seems to be Phuket specific. As we've discussed in other videos, there seems to have been a major influx of foreign nationals coming into Phuket. Remember, Phuket has its own international airport down there, so it kind of is its own window to the world in and of itself. I don't talk too much about Phuket because Phuket's kind of its own thing going on down there. I will talk about it from time to time when something comes up, for example, this video. But yeah, it has its own flavor, if you will, as immigration goes. As we've discussed in other videos, different Thai immigration offices have different prerogatives regarding the dealing with foreigners. In a sense, and I know this really frustrates many foreign nationals here, that different offices do things differently, and they sort of say things like, well, why don't they all do it the same? Well, first of all, have you ever dealt with your own immigration system? That's a big question, because I have, for example, in the United States, and different places do things differently. For example, processing U.S. visas in Bangkok is very different than processing U.S. visas in Phnom Penh, or in Ho Chi Minh City, or in Manila. It's not the same thing office to office. Each one kind of does things a little differently. Then when you get internally in the United States, different USCIS field offices do things differently within the USA. And again, a lot of it's based on caseload. For example, if you go to an upcountry, kind of a rural province here in Thailand, and you want to go deal with Thai immigration directly there, it is an entirely different experience than dealing with Bangkok Immigration Division 1. Which is here in Bangkok, and it's the main one where everybody in Bangkok is going to process through. Caseload is massively different, attitude of officers massively different. Because of that caseload, I would say primarily, because they're dealing with a much more intense caseload. That said, quoting directly from The Phuket News, that's thephuketnews.com, article is titled, Phuket Immigration Demands Title Deeds, Home Walkthroughs for Permit to Stay Extensions. Quoting directly, Phuket Immigration is refusing to accept applications for one-year extensions unless the foreigner provides a copy of the Chnot land title for property where the foreigner is staying, even if the foreigner is only renting the property, and photographs of inside the home where the foreigner is staying, including the bedroom. So, yeah, we've talked about this before, especially in the context of Thai O visas, Thai O marriage visa extension. Some years back, unfortunately, there was a rash of sham marriages associated with the Thai O visa, and this resulted in a heightened scrutiny from Thai immigration. They started showing up at people's houses and saying, hey, we want to look around, see if you're really married, etc. And they would do that, and it's well within their bailiwick to do that. It's well within their purview. And this is another one of those situations where, look, Thai immigration in Phuket clearly has taken the position that more concern is warranted with respect to the influx of foreign nationals, and so they're asking for more documentation, including title deed, associated with the residents of those living here in the Kingdom of Thailand.